In this video, we are going to use Ritetag and Circular.io to automate our Twitter's accounts. You can add unlimited Twitter account to Circular.io for free, and you can post tweets very fast since the app is working asynchronously. And when you upload a picture or add a tweet to the queue, it will be super fast and you will not even feel it. You should go in settings and schedule the time when the tweets have to be tweeted. The more often you tweet, the more followers you will get, but the more posts you will have to schedule. I am going to use an old Twitter account, this tutorial, and all we have to do is to log into our Twitter account in our browser. Then go to Circular.io and grant permissions to that account, and do the same for Ritetag. With Ritetag, we can just write keywords into it, or even just copy and paste the whole article text. This tool will pull out the best hashtags related to what is written in your article. You can see that the yellow ones with the flash are the best hashtags, the blue less good. And also you can see the banned hashtags and not used hashtags. You can filter and copy all the hashtags and then paste it on Circular.io together with your pictures or blog posts or whatever you want. You can add in a matter of minutes a lot of tweets in the Circular.io queue. I strongly advise to take a few hours to schedule all your tweets for the next 2 weeks. You can also select multiple Twitter accounts and tweet at the same time on multiple accounts. You can copy and paste the article text to Ritetag, and this will pull out the hot hashtags to use in your tweet. This will make your account interesting and engaged, and you will gain free followers and likes. The more often you post, the more followers you will get.